I'm Kendall Hebden, and this is LCRA's Tough Jobs. See these guys? These buzzards are creating a ton of work for today.
How do buzzards create work, you ask? I asked Martin Lindig the same thing. And what exactly will I be doing to help?
So we're going to be washing insulators on the transmission line. We'll get dust or waste from animals, vultures, things like that, that'll build up on insulators, and they'll start to lose some of their insulating properties, right? So we don't want that to happen. So we'll clean those, and the way we do that is with water.
Well, let's go get dirty then.
Before we begin, we keep safety top of mind. They de-energize the line to secure a safe working environment for me and the crew.
What is it that you're cleaning off the insulators of the lines all over Texas?
Buzzer crap, really. I mean, mostly. And the buzzer poo makes a straight line to ground.
Like a wire.
It's basically like a wire.
Yeah, so you have an extension cord of
bird poo.
Bird poo. So do we have to say buzzard poo equals conductive material?
Pretty much.
Vulture poop, what do y'all call it?
Oh, buzzard poop.
Vulture poop.
LCRA Transmission operates or maintains more than 5,400 circuit miles of transmission lines and equipment at 430 substations.
Okay, what am I trying to, I'm trying to get that same thing?
You're just spraying the insulators just like that.
It takes a dedicated team with a safety-first attitude to make sure the job's done right.
What is the blue one? What's the difference?
They got a different weight rating on them.
Josh warned me that I was going to get wet, so I went ahead and made sure we got the full experience at roughly 150 feet.
Woo. That was right in the face.
Yeah.
It was squirt directly into the wind.
I'm getting the hang of it now.
And he didn't mess around, he turned it all the way up to 10.
Oh yeah, that ain't even the highest fire. They'll run that motor up real high. Some of these smaller guys, it'll push them backwards. Hose will.
When you say smaller guys, I feel like I might factor into that.
You might fall in that category.
This tight-knit crew literally have each other's back when the pressure is on. And that's important because these guys are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to deploy all over Texas when line maintenance is needed most.
So basically, y'all left the big boys for me. Oh yeah. Got a pull to it.
They went ahead and turned the water pressure to 10 because apparently I'm a little slow at this.
All in the name of keeping Texas electrified.
Yep, I'm still 12 at heart. And Jeremy is quickly regretting turning me loose with these tools. Keeping the network of transmission lines and substations maintained is crucial to the statewide interconnected power grid providing reliable service to Texas. And while the line maintenance team keeps things humming, LCRA's transmission line construction crews are often wanted for various preventative maintenance tasks as well. Where the maintenance teams are called out at all hours, the construction crews are assigned and stationed to build and maintain structures and substations across Texas. Today's task involves a 69 kV tower, a bucket truck, some grease pellets, and a paintball gun. That's right, a paintball gun. Now this method may seem unorthodox, but this line crew prides itself on thinking outside of the box when it comes to finding the most safe and efficient methods for accomplishing their jobs. At roughly 175 feet up, I can see residents and businesses that won't lose power because we were able to grease the switches while the line is still energized.
Your safety's right there, you should be good to go. You might get a little blowback from the balls when they explode. There you go.
A switch is equipment that can connect or disconnect a path in an electrical circuit to interrupt the current from one conductor to another. Who knew greasing electrical switches could be so fun? I haven't missed yet.
Oh, you're supposed to hit the switch. There you go.
You gonna take me deer hunting?
Oh yeah, I think you'll do great.
Operating a safe and reliable electric transmission system requires continuous monitoring of facilities and equipment. Crews investigate, report issues, complete detailed inspections, and make spot repairs, much like we're doing today. One missed shot seems acceptable to me, but this crew knows their job isn't complete until they hit every last one. As one of the largest transmission service providers in Texas, LCRA transmission linemen are key contributors to projects that make electricity available, reliable, and resilient. Now that is what I call a tough job.